Hello, good morning. How are you?
Hello, teacher. Good morning. So far, so good.
Excellent,
Thank you.
Gabriel. Welcome to the class. So, Gabriel, tell me, what about your weekend, Gabriel? How was it? What do you do?
It was good, teacher. I spent the time with my dog as usual, but then
Very good.
I did all my housework. It is correct. All the
Very
cleaning
good.
and laundry, do the laundry, all kind of stuff that I cannot do during the week. So I did it in the weekend, and I spent time with my dog.
Very good. Yeah, excellent. Okay, Gabriel, good. So, Gabriel, you didn't go out? No shopping, no cinema, no mall. I don't know.
No, teacher. No, no, no. I mean, we have not the time for that, and also the enough money. But
Okay, okay.
we remain at home because it was so hot during the weekend. So we don't
Yes,
want to
exactly.
spend our energy and our electrolytes in the street. So we remain at home. Yes.
Exactly. Yes, because exactly. So it was also hot there in Mexico City. Here in Hidalgo, it was also very, very hot. Yesterday, it rained around like 7 p.m. It was a heavy, heavy rain. But out there, did it rain in Mexico City yesterday? No.
No, actually, it was Saturday. Sorry, was so hot, was so sunny, but then in Sunday was actually like cloudy all the day, so
All
it
right,
was
right.
like not too hot, but it was like okay, it's not cold, but we don't have the sun right now, so it's perfect to go out. So when we went out with the dog with my dog, it was cool
Yes.
weather though. And
Oh,
later
that's
night,
good.
it was like this kind of raining smell in the environment. So I
Okay.
thought it was about to
Yes.
rain. Yeah, but it doesn't. So it was just like cloudy and kind of windy.
Oh,
So, but yeah, it doesn't rain actually. It didn't rain. Sorry.
very, it didn't rain. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. What about, let's say, my student? Okay. Aline. Hello, Aline. Good morning, Aline. How are you, Aline?
Hello, teacher. Good morning.
Excellent, Aline. Where to the class, Aline? So, Aline, tell us, Aline, how was your weekend, Aline?
Okay. At my weekend, I think I the Sunday I had go to
On
uh
Sunday, I went. On Sunday, I
on
went.
Sunday
Good.
I went to my ballet classes, and the whole weekend I think I had only a study for my admission exam, and that's
Okay.
it.
Exactly, very good, Aline. So, Aline,
Not
your mission
very
exam is what?
interesting thing.
In June? Very good, Aline.
Yes,
Aline, your
of
mission
course.
in June? Yes.
Yes.
Aline, and how do you feel? Prepared?
Prepared, I think.
Okay, Aline. Ay, Aline, come on, Aline. Remember, Aline, you promised to pass the exam, Aline, okay?
Yes, this is. I don't have
No.
option, teacher, so I will pass it. Yes.
Exactly, Aline. Yes, Aline. So now that you have the time, study and re-study and then re-study again. Maybe you get bored, but don't worry. Okay, study once more. Okay. Okay, Aline. Very
Okay.
good again. Aline, and I haven't
Thank
actually. Do
you.
you have any pets? Any pets now?
Any what?
Do you have any
Pets.
pets? Any dogs? Any
Yes,
cats? Uh-huh.
yes, yes.
Ah,
Um, I have a turtle and a dog.
oh, cute. A turtle, Aline. Really? Very good. Aline, and
Yes,
what is it like?
his name
What is
is.
it like?
Uh,
Yes. Yeah, yes, yes. Tell me, yes, tell me.
okay. His name is Rafaelo, like the tortillas. Tortugas ninja?
Like Ninja Turtles, ¿no?
Yes, of course.
Cute, Ali. Very good, Ali. I mean, and what is it like, I mean, to have a turtle as a pet? I mean, is it in terms of care? I mean, is it difficult to take care of a turtle? Is it easy? I can never have a turtle.
I think it depends of the day, teacher, because
Or yeah,
my
really,
turtle
depending on the day.
doesn't. Yes, because my turtle doesn't like the. I don't know how to say croquetas.
Ah, okay. The crunchies.
So
Doesn't
I
like
need
crunchies.
to give. I
Yes.
need. I need to give him herd of chicken.
Ah, okay, okay. Chicken. Wow.
So
And I mean,
the, yes,
does, does it eat raw chicken or cooked chicken?
raw chicken. He
Raw chicken.
can eat.
Okay.
He can eat roast. Yes.
Very.
Or
Ah,
cook.
okay, okay, okay. I mean, wonderful. Okay, okay, I mean, good. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, very good. Listen, welcome to the class. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. And here is, okay, is the goal and the date for today. Okay. Are you okay, go ahead? Yes.
Sorry, teacher. What was the name of
Sure.
the dog's food, as you said?
Ah, crunchy, crunchy.
Crunchy.
O lo ponemos in this case, goat, sorry, dog crunchy or turtle crunchy. But I
Okay.
didn't know that there was also this special food for turtles. For dogs, yes, and for cats, it's very common, no? But for turtles, I
Yes.
didn't know. Okay. Because it's something new for me, okay? Very good, okay, so there it goes, okay? I'm going to share my screen with you, okay? And there it is, okay? Okay, so you can see the goal and the date, okay? For this. Our today is May 19, okay, 2025 goal. By the end of the class, the student will practice noun clauses correctly. Okay. This was a topic that we were checking last week, so let's continue working on it. Okay.
Done, teacher.
Okay, so this last class we were doing this activity. This one, okay, it says replace the bold words with the correct question word. For example, it says that this is the reason I love summer. This is why I love summer. I think we finished it, but we didn't check it. Ready? Or we didn't do it.
It was a class work. We didn't finish on time.
Okay. We didn't finish it. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, what about let's say look at this. Let me I'm going to the meeting. I need to write down your names. Wait a minute. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, so here's Gabriel and Aline. Very good. Very good. Here's Gabriel. Very good. Here is Aline. And Scarlett, hello Scarlett. Good morning, Scarlett. How are you?
Hi, teacher. Good morning. Fine, thank you.
Scarlett.
Sorry, I'm late.
Scarlett.
I have some.
Don't worry,
Yeah.
Scarlett. Scarlett. How was your weekend? What do you
It
do?
was.
What do you do again, Scarlett?
I stay I stay I stay home. Sorry.
You're sleepy, Scarlett. You're sleepy. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, so you stay
I
at home.
stay.
Okay.
I make some improvements in my kitchen.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I spend the afternoon reading my book, and
Very good.
I watch some movies.
Very good, Scarlett. Good. So, Scarlett, you didn't go out? No cinema, shopping, visit your boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Really, Scarlett? Why not, Scarlett?
I don't know, teacher. I
Scarlett.
really want to know.
Okay. I what? Sorry?
I really want to know why I don't have a boyfriend. If you could
Yes,
tell
Scarlett.
me.
Me? Ay, come on, Scarlett. Scarlett, I am a specialist in teaching or technology, but I am not a therapist yet, Scarlett, okay? Okay, Scarlett. Scarlett, and what movie did you see? Do you see action
Oh,
movie, horror movie, police movie?
I I spent the weekend watching Impossible Mission from the
Oh,
one to
really?
number 6. Yeah, I want to see the new movie,
Wow,
but first I try to see
oh,
the others.
very good. Listen, I'm going to suggest a movie that I saw last weekend also to Gabriel, Larina, and Scarlett. This movie is called like this. Okay, I'm going to write it here on the chat from it. It's called Sweet November. That is the movie. Sweet
Sweet
November.
November.
Sweet November is it's a very good movie that makes you think about life, about your decisions, about who you are, about something that may happen in everybody's lives. So it's really a sad story, but it makes you think fully about your lives, about your decisions, about the paths or the tracks that you take in your life. Mhm. Is with I think the main character is Keanu Reeves and the girl I think is Charlize Theron or something like that. But it's a really good movie. Okay, very good, Scarlett. Very good. Okay, excellent. What about Ame? Good morning, Ame. How are you, Ame?
Hello, teacher. I'm fine, thanks.
Excellent, Ame. Welcome to the class, Ame. Ame, please tell us, Ame, how was your weekend? What did you do this weekend, Ame?
Well, in my weekend, I was working in the morning, Saturday and Sunday,
Very good.
and in the late, or
Okay,
sorry, in the afternoon,
very good.
Saturday, I think that I went to a party. I don't remember exactly, but I think that yes. And Sunday,
Okay,
we only be rest in my house.
excellent, Ame. Ame, how was the party? Was it good, interesting, boring? Did you dance?
No, I don't dance. I didn't dance. It's what
No?
the party was up for my. What is the girl for me? I think that is my. I don't know. How can we call to
Yes,
one girl that is about
yes.
my cousin? She's what about me?
Ah, okay.
My sibling?
A girl
No.
who is exactly your no your sibling no.
Yes.
So it's a girl who is your cousin.
No, it's the daughter for my cousin of my cousin.
Ah, she's your niece.
Ah, my
She's your
niece.
niece, I mean.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
okay,
Well,
very good,
there's
I
a
mean.
party for her.
Very good.
Yes.
I mean, and what was the weather like in your city this weekend?
Oh, it's really hot. I want to rain. Yeah, it's really,
Yeah,
really hot. I don't support.
so I mean, you don't like hot weather,
No, no. I prefer all the cold. Always, always cold.
really? I know. So it means that you
Yes.
don't like going to the sea, going to the beach, going to Cancun, Los Cabos.
Ah,
I don't know.
yes, yes, yes. So for that reason, the color is perfect. But sorry, the hot is perfect. But here, the hot is no. I don't like it. No, no, no. Thank you.
Wh- Where do you live, can you please remind me? In Mexico City? No.
Me?
Uh, do you live
Because you
in
said
Mexico
solid.
City? Ah, sorry,
Yes,
I mean,
in Mexico. Yes, in
yes,
Mexico
Mexico
City.
City usually,
More
usually.
in Querétaro.
Okay. Yes, yes, Querétaro is also a very hot place. Okay, so welcome to the class.
Yes.
Okay, listen, I'm going to share the screen again. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so for Scarlett and for Ame who just joined. Okay, this is the date, obviously, May 19, 2025. And the goal is that by the end of the class, the students will practice noun clauses correctly. Okay, please write down the date and please write down the goal. Okay. So today we will continue checking the activity that we did last weekend, last Thursday, but we didn't check it out in the class. Okay. We just finished it, but we didn't have the time to check it out. Okay, when you finish, please tell me so we can continue. Okay.
I'm finished, teacher.
Very good. Okay, so let's see here. It says, what about, let's say, Gabriel? Gabriel says, spending time with my family is the thing I like to do more than anything.
Yes, teacher. It says spending time with my family is what I like to do more than anything.
Very good. So, when you here, okay, is what? Very good. So, we change the thing and we change for what. Okay. Very good. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Very good. Okay. What I'm going to say, Aline, it says, I love the way you talk to the kids in your class.
Um,
Aline?
Spending time with my family is the
Ah,
thing.
number three, Aline. Number three. Number
What?
three.
Ah, sorry.
I love the way you talk
I
to the
love
kids
the
in your
way
class.
you talk. Mm, es- a ver, era what, why y where, ¿no? Creo, I
Look at
think.
this. Let's see here. It says,
Um,
we have what, who, why, how, where. And here is missing
I
one, my
love the
friends. I
way
don't know why.
how
Exactly. Here is missing, look at this, when.
I
Okay.
love I love how
Uh-huh.
you talk
I love.
to the kids
Very good, Ali.
in your class.
Exactly. Very good, Aline. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Well, Scarlett, if I know the location you're standing, I can find you on GPS.
It will be where? If I know where you're
Yes.
standing,
Okay.
I
If
can
I
find you.
know where. Very good. Excellent. Good. I mean, the way we see the world is an important part of the people we are.
How we see the world is an important part of who we are.
Excellent. Of who we are. Very good. Okay. Excellent. Very good. Gabriel, the man in the hat is not the person the police are looking for?
Yes, the man in the hat is not who the police are looking for.
Very good. With the police. Very good. Yes. Let me see someone. I pensé que
No, it
alguien
was my
levantaba. No.
mistake. Sorry,
Very good.
my bad.
Very good. Very good again. Aline, it says you need to pay more attention to the things your grandfather tells you.
I can play most of the song, but the chorus
Number,
is
no, number, number seven.
ah
You need to pay
sorry,
more attention to the
sorry,
things
teacher.
your grandfather tells you. Very good.
You need to pay attention, more attention. Mm, how?
To the things
Mm,
your grandfather tells you. No?
to what? No, let's what? Oh, see?
Yes. To what? Yes, because it's the things.
Yes.
To what
What?
your grandfather tells you. Very good. Exactly what. Very good, Aline. Scarlett, I can play most of the song, but the chorus is the point at which I always have trouble. I don't know the reason.
It's I can play most of the song, but the chorus where where I always have trouble. I don't know
Very good.
why.
I don't know why. Very good. Excellent, friends. Very good. Okay. Very good, friends. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you and let's do some harder activities. Okay. Listen, I got something for you. If you remember, the goal of this course is that you get certified by Cambridge, no? By the lingual skill test. Okay. And maybe some of you want to have an official certification in Mexico that is called CENI. CENI certification is a valid uh, certificate in all Mexico, in all countries. Most universities and most schools and most jobs recognize, okay, CENI as a valid national certification. So, in order to get the CENI, you have several ways. One of them is lingual skill. Look at this. Lingual skill, or another exam which is called APTIS. I have done some research on those exams. Those exams are equally as hard as each other. Okay, so it doesn't mean that lingual skill is easier or that APTIS is easier. No, they are as hard as both of them. Okay. However, in prices, if you want to get the certification, APTIS is cheaper than lingual skill. For example, lingual skill goes around 3,000, 2,000, something like that. Okay. But APTIS is around 1,500, 1,700. So maybe today we will do some exercises on APTIS so you can see the types of questions that you will find on APTIS exam, okay? We have practiced some activities for the lingual skill, okay? But today, if we have the time, okay, we will practice on the APTIS exam, okay? The APTIS exam is also valid and acceptable in Mexico, is in most universities and in most jobs, okay? Look at this here, let's practice. It says, now close the beginning with a question word. It says directions. Change the question in the parentheses to a non-clause. For example, how old is he? I don't know. I will say, I don't know how old is he. It says, what was he talking about? What he was talking about was interesting. Okay, okay, let's do from number 3 to number 12. It says, where do you live? Please tell me, super easy. Please tell me where you live. Ladies, okay. Please tell me where you live. Okay. And I'm going to share this on the WhatsApp group. There it goes. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. I'm going to post it there on the WhatsApp group. Okay. Wait a minute. Espérame que pasa. There it goes. Very good. Oh, no sé en cuánto fue. Ok, pues se carga la página, le sigo compartiendo, ok. Very good. Okay, so let's continue, please, from number 4 to number 14, okay? Very good. I'm going to the meeting, okay? Very good. Hello, Kimmy. Good morning, Kimmy. How are you?
Hello, teacher. Good morning. Fine, thank you. And you?
Excellent, Kimmy. Very good, Kimmy. How was your weekend? What did you do last weekend, Kimmy?
It was very busy. I
Very busy.
my boyfriend and very busy. My boyfriend and I went to Mexico to Puebla, but not for tourist. But not for a tourist.
Okay, okay, okay.
Just for work.
Okay, okay, Kimmy. So that's good, no?
Yes.
Very good, Kimmy. Excellent, excellent, Kimmy. Very good. Kimmy, and please tell me, Kimmy, what was the weather like in those cities this weekend?
In Mexico, hot and Puebla, little cloudy, but hot too.
Okay, very good. Okay, okay, Kimmy. Okay, Kimmy, look at this. We are doing this activity, Kimmy. Entonces, espera. Ya me voy a dejar copiarlo en el grupo de WhatsApp. Wait a minute.
Thank you, teacher.
There it goes. Okay, we're doing an activity, Jimmy, and we are working, Jimmy, on the topic that we were practicing last class, okay, which is noun clauses. Look at there it goes. Okay, yes, very good. Okay, so here it is. Let me paste it there on the WhatsApp group. There it goes. Okay, okay. Very good. So it's there. Okay, so let me share the screen with you. Okay, there it goes. Okay. Here it is, Kimi. So for example, we have the questions of where do you live, and we have to write together using noun clauses, okay, into one sentence or into one question. Like for example, here, please tell me where you live, okay? Or here it says, what was he talking about? What he was talking about wasn't interesting. Or how old is he? So when you say, I don't know how old he is, okay? Aquí me puedes poner from number 4 to number 14, okay?
Thank
Very
you,
good.
teacher.
Good. Remember, if you have questions, please tell me, okay? And I will tell you. So don't feel alone, okay? Yeah, sure. Yes, Aline?
Teacher, in all the questions you need to don't have to write the verb to be like in the first,
For example?
not the third. Where you live, and there is
Yes.
no
Here is. Uh-huh.
there is no
No
do.
do.
Uh-huh.
Exactly. Why not? Remember why I told you last classes. After after the relative clause, okay, we need to have a noun clause. That's why it's called noun clause. This is the noun clause, okay? Well, this one, okay? The noun clause must be written, okay, in the way of a normal sentence. Why? Because you have the connector at the beginning. Please tell me where. So after the relative clause, we need a noun clause, okay, in the grammar or in the syntaxis of a normal sentence. Like for example here, what he was talking about was interesting. Like here, I don't know. Look at this. Here is not how old is he? No. I don't know how old he is. Okay. Very good.
Okay, thank you.
Very good. Very good, good, good. Yes. Okay, when you finish, please tell me, okay?
Don't teacher.
Very good. Gabriel said, what did he say wasn't true?
Yes. What he said wasn't true.
What he said, very good, wasn't true. Very good, okay. Aline, when are they coming? Do you know?
Um, do you know uh, what number
When?
it is, teacher?
Number five?
Number five. Do you
Uh-huh.
know where are they coming?
When, casi casi, when they are
They
coming, look at this.
they are
Do you
coming.
know when they are coming? Exactly, exactly. Look, after the relative clause, we have the noun clause, which is, as I said, is the usual structure of affirmative sentence. Okay, we have the subject, we have the verb, and we have the main verb. Okay, very good. Okay, let's say, please, Scarlett, how much does it cost? I can't remember.
I can remember how much it cost.
Very good. How much it cost? Very good. Okay. Ame, which one does he want? Let's let's ask him
Let's ask him which one he wants.
which
He
one he
wants,
wants.
right?
Very good.
Okay.
Exactly. Which one he wants. Very good. Okay. Jimena, it says, who is coming to the party? I don't know.
I don't know who those people are.
And number eight,
I
Jimena, number
don't
eight.
know.
Who is coming to the party? I don't know.
Ah, okay. I don't know who is coming to the party.
Almost okay. I don't know who.
Those. I don't
No,
know
it's okay.
who is
Who is coming to the party? Okay.
to the party. Okay.
But it's who coming. Okay, it's to the party is. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Ah, okay, okay.
I don't know who coming to the party is. Okay. Very good. Okay. Well, let's say Gabriel. Who are those people? I
I don't
don't know.
know who these people are.
Who have those people? No? Those people are. Exactly. I don't know who those people are. Very good. Aline, whose pen is this? Do you know?
Do you know who pen whose pen
Whose pen? Uh-huh.
is this? No, this
This
is.
is
Sorry, this
exactly. Do you
is.
know whose pen this is? Very good. Okay. Scarlett, when did they leave the country? It's a secret.
Uh, why they leave the country is a secret.
Sorry. Why they left the country?
Oh yeah, that's
Uh-huh.
true.
Why they left the country? No, it's a secret. Very good. Okay. Ame, what are we doing in class? It's easy.
What we are doing in class is easy.
Very good. What we are doing in class is easy. Very good. Okay. Jimena, where did she go? It's none of your business.
Um, 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 13. Okay. Where sh where she
Okay.
went
It's none of your business. Very good. Where she
is
went is
now
none of your business. Okay. Very good. Gabriel, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? I don't remember.
Uh, I don't remember how many letters are in the English alphabet.
How many letters there are in the English? Look at this alphabet. Please, I don't remember how many letters there are in the English alphabet. Okay. Okay, let's continue, please, from number 15 to 18, which is quite a few. Okay, it says, who is the mayor of New York City? Okay, I don't know. How old does a person have to be to get a driver's license? I need to find out what happened. I don't know. Who opened the door? I don't know. Okay, let's continue from number 15 to number 18.
Don't you?
Very good. Okay, let's say Gabriel says, who is the mayor of New York City? I don't know.
I don't know who the mayor of New York City is.
Who is the mayor, very good, of New York City is? Very good, okay. Aline, it says, how old does a person have to be to get a driver's license? I need to find out.
I need to find out how old a person have to be to get a driver's license.
How old, look at this. How old a person has to be to get a driver's license? Okay, how old a person has
License.
to be.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Scarlett, what happened? I don't know.
I don't know what happened.
Pero I don't know what happened. Eso no cambió, okay? Very good. Okay, Ame, who opened the door? I don't know.
I don't know who opened the door.
Very good. Who opened the door? Mhm. Very good. That one is the answer, okay. Okay, listen, I'm going to show you look at this, the aptitude examination. Look at this. Give me a second, okay? There it goes. Okay, okay, let me. Very good, okay. Mhm. It is, as I said, this is another way to certify your English. Okay, one is lingual skill. However, this option is a lot cheaper in my consideration. Okay, in my research, up this practice is from the British Council. Okay, look at this. Look at the sections. Okay, it also has grammar, vocabulary, reading, listening, and also it also has okay reading test, listening test, writing test, and speaking test. Okay. So let's try to practice some of the grammar section. Look at this. It's here. For example, look at this. Okay, let me see if I can show 3 pictures. Yes. Okay. For example, okay. So let's answer please from number 0 to number 2, and then I will show you the others. Okay. Just write number 0 and the answer. Number 1 and the answer. Number 2 and the answer. Okay. Very good. So number 1 is super easy. Okay. How old are you? Okay. This is the correct one. Okay. What about number 2? So number 1 and number 2. Okay. Okay, when you finish 0, 1, and 2, please tell me so I can move, okay, the page, okay?
Done, teacher.
Very good.
Finish.
Okay, so no, very good. Let's see number 3 and 4, okay? I'm going to make it bigger. Look at this. Ah, but no. Wait a minute, please.
Done.
Okay, so I'm going to move to number 5 and 6, okay? Okay,
Teacher,
5 and
can
6, okay?
you go
Sure,
to the password?
very good, yes. Yes,
Okay, thank you.
very good. Okay, I will show 5 and 6, okay? Okay, 5, 6, and 7, okay?
Done, teacher.
Very good, okay? So I'm going to move it, okay? This is just number 8, okay? And you show the others, okay? So this one just was only number 8, okay? So number 9, 10, and 11.
And teacher, I don't know if it was me, but I think we didn't see the part 8.
Number 8, okay. There it goes, okay? Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Very good. And now I will show you, okay, number 9, 10, and 11.
Don't you?
Oh, yes. So let's stop here. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue working more, okay, on the artists and working on the book, okay? So thank you very much, Aline, Jimena, Scarlett, and Gabriel for being here. Okay, please have a great day. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Take care.
Thank you.
How we
Thank
want
you,
to start
teacher.
with?
Have a nice day,
Bye
everyone.
Bye.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Take care. Thank you. Thank you very much.